This is section 1.1, function and function notation. In this video, we're going to go through number 35 in your book. And in this problem, they're giving us this equation and asking us to solve for these two values. So starting with part A, it's asking us to evaluate f of -2. Here, they're giving us an x value, and they want us to plug that in and figure out what the output value is. So wherever I see an x in my original function, I'm just going to plug in -2, see what my output is. When I plug in -2, I get 8 minus 3 times -2. This will become 8 plus 6, which equals 14. So when I plugged in -2 into my function, wherever I saw an x, my output value was 14. Okay, moving on to part B, it's asking to solve f of x equals -1. In this case, they're giving us an opposite value. They're giving us the output, and we need to solve for the input for the x. What x value will give us -1? To solve for this, I'll just plug in -1 wherever I see an f of x and solve for my x. Solving for my x, I subtract the 8 over to the other side, get -9 is equal to minus 3x. Dividing over the -3, I get that positive 3 is equal to my x. So that means if I were to plug in a 3 wherever I see an x in my original equation, I would get -1. And that's it for this problem. In part A, they're giving us an x value, asking for an output value. So we just had to plug in -2 wherever we saw an x. And in part B, they gave us the opposite. They gave us an output value and asked us to solve for the input that would give us that value, -1. The concepts covered in this video are true no matter what pre-calc class you're in, but in case you're interested, all the problems referenced in this book came from this lovely book right here. Remember that if you're a Baylor student, we offer free tutoring on the first floor of Sid Rich. You can either make an appointment or drop in whenever you're available to get tutoring in pre-calc, calculus, and a bunch of other subjects as well. Feel free to visit our website for more information.